Hey everyone, this is Sean with Pew Tactical, and today we're doing the field strip and reassembly of the SIG X macro comp. We're going to start by pressing the magazine release and removing the magazine. Next, we'll pull back on the slide and make sure that the chamber is empty. Now, like other SIG models, you simply pull back on the slide, lock it into place with the slide lock, and then pull on the takedown lever, rotating it toward the muzzle. From here, hold on to the slide and then pull back to ultimately let the slide move forward. You can set the frame to the side. We're going to compress the recoil spring and pull down, back it out, and then finally push down on the top of the barrel and wiggle this back and forth until we get the barrel free. This concludes the takedown. Let's reassemble. First, we'll start with the slide, reinsert the barrel with the lug down. Once it's in, pull it back until it seats. Take the spring and make sure that you've properly oriented it. This is the direction it'll need to go. Once it's reinserted, compress it and push down until it seats on the lug. From here, we have to align the rails with the slots in the slide. Pull back and then lock the slide into place with the slide lock lever. Here you take the takedown and rotate it back. This completes the reassembly. Now let's function test. We're going to point the gun in a safe direction, pull the trigger and hold it back. Rack the slide and then release the trigger until you hear and feel trigger reset. Press it again. This gun is functioning fine. Now, I'm going to reinsert the magazine, lock it into place, and pull back on the slide to ensure that we have last round hold open. This has been the field strip and reassembly for the SIG X macro comp. For more information, please head over to pewtactical.com, your definitive source for gun reviews, gear guides, and all things that go bang. Thank you for watching.